Hello, I'm back, and this week I am not going to be doing another hair video. This week I'm going to be doing a skincare video. Recently I've had some issues with my skin, and I didn't know why it was happening, and I realized it was because I wasn't doing my due diligence when it comes to skin hygiene. So I went all out and started doing everything that I could, and I was able to get my skin back to where it needed to be within a week. I wasn't using the right products and I wasn't using them often enough. Part of the problem when you're having troubles with skincare is not doing it enough, and sometimes it's doing it too much. Yes, you can wash your face too much. I have gotten a complete overhaul of skincare products, and this combination of not only products but also techniques has completely changed the outlook of my skin as I know it. So today I'm basically just going to outline the new products that I am using and the new technique in which I use them all and the order in which. So without further ado, let's just jump into it. First thing I do is I wash my face. Duh. And what I use is the CeraVe Foaming Facial Cleanser for normal to oily skin. It cleans my skin without feeling like my skin is completely stripped, but it also isn't so gentle that I don't feel like it did anything. But most of the time I usually just go in with a little bit of this first, and then I go in again with a full pump and really get scrubbing. Once I have finished cleansing my face, I dry my face off proper with a towel. Once I've given my face a moment to sit and breathe, I go in with this toner. This one is by Thayer's. I think that is how you pronounce the name, but it is all natural and it is alcohol free, which is amazing because the alcohol, again, is overly drying and removes the natural protective barrier around your skin, which causes it to create more oil, which causes it to invite bacteria, which causes it to break out. So this one has witch hazel and grapefruit seed extract, which are both natural astringents, which in turn break down oils on your face. And this also will balance the pH after cleansing my skin. I just smear some of that on a little cotton ball and I rub it all over my face, and then I allow that to dry on its own and soak in for just a couple minutes. After that, I go in with some Aquaphor on my lips. I like to use straight up petroleum jelly on my lips because it really seals in the moisture and it helps with chapped lips, which I get a lot, especially at this time of year where it's getting a little bit more chilly. Finally, thank you, Texas. Once I have let the toner completely dry on my skin, I'm going to moisturize, and for that I use the CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion for normal to dry skin. Now, even though this says for normal to dry skin, and I have oily skin, what I like about it is that it is lightweight and oil-free, and it's not a gel moisturizer, but it resembles one in texture and thickness. It's not very creamy, it's more liquidy and watery, which is what I love when it comes to moisturizers because it's very lightweight and it doesn't make my face feel greasy afterward. With this, a little goes a very long way, and this whole bottle of it was about $10, but it is very big and it will probably last me about a year and a half. I've had it for about 3 months and I've barely even scratched the surface of it, so totally worth it. It's good for everybody. It's also fragrance free. Once I have let that soak into my skin for a good 5 to 10 minutes, I go in with a facial spray, and this one is by Badescu. And I went with the green aloe one because aloe is very helpful in fighting breakouts and bacteria on your skin. It is anti-inflammatory and antibacterial, so I just thought, why not get a little spray bottle soothing action. I just give myself some generous spritzes all over the face after my moisturizer, and with that, I go to bed. I've just been really sticking to my regimen and making sure that I stay on top of it, and that's really the most important thing when it comes to skincare. You want to make sure that you're using the right ingredients the right products and the right amount. And sometimes that takes some tinkering. But hopefully this video was helpful to someone out there, or maybe it's just me hearing myself talk, which I'm also happy with. If you would like to, you should go check out my Instagram. I post updates about my YouTube channel, and I also post about my hair and skincare on the daily, so go ahead and check that out if you feel so inclined. Also, if you would like to, please give this video a thumbs up, because that tells YouTube that it's good and they should show it to more people. So even if you didn't like it, just give me a like, just out of pure charity and pity. Last but not least, if you would like to, you should subscribe to my channel, because I post every single Wednesday and I'm gonna keep posting them whether you subscribe or not. So you might as well just subscribe so you don't miss them. Anyway, that is all for me. See you guys next Wednesday.